What is going on, guys? It's your boy Darius, back at it again with another video. Now, got some stuff right here. Pretty excited about it because it goes to the car. Now, one of the things I got was unexpected because I was talking to a guy about buying them, and another guy said, "Hey, I got this one too that matches," and I'm like, dude, that's another one I wanted. Like, hey, let me get that. So I got them all on a deal, like a really good deal. Like the price of one of them, for the price of one of them, I bought 4. So for the price of one brand new from where they're made, from the company they're made from, I bought 4. So I got packages. Alright. Now, if you haven't noticed already, I did get a haircut. I like it. It's cooler. So let's get this video started. Alright, let's open up this one. Now, yes, I bought, like I said, I bought these from people. So that's why they're not in original packaging. And how about I make sure I don't cut myself in the process? Okay, I don't quite know why you... Okay. I end up cutting the box, I'm sorry. Jesus Christ. Why do you have this thing taped? Tape must be idiot proof. So let's see what I ordered. Okay. Up. This one is oil pressure. I got that's one of them. There is that, and oh, I don't know what the rest of these are. Again, why'd you do it like this? And like I said, as you can tell, none of these has been mounted. None of them has been, you know. I do have to get the stuff for this one. This is the water temp, and this last one is oil temp. So I bought the Glowshift 7-color series. Now, granted, I know you can't really see it because they're tinted, but that's oil pressure. This is water temp. Don't really know what I'm gonna do with this one yet. Thought about selling it. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with it. And this one is the oil temp. So the main ones I wanted was the oil pressure and the oil temp. Now, the reason got everything. Alright. Okay, there's mounting hardware. Yep, okay, these are all the wires. I was about to say I'm missing some wires. The reason I want oil temp and oil pressure is because that's the two of the gauges that I've always wanted that works, that I wanted to use. This last one. Alright, there we go. This one is the last one that I wanted. My air fuel. Once again, Glowshift. It does 7 different colors. Yeah. Okay. It does red, purple, white, yellow, green, blue, and like a different color blue. But yes, it is the wideband. And this is another one that I wanted. This is the one that I said I've got all 4 gauges. Air fuel, water temp, oil pressure, and oil temp. I got all 4 of these gauges for the price of air fuel. I've got all 4 of these gauges for right around $240. Just got to keep an eye out for the deals. So like I said, I got all 4 of these gauges for right around, like I said, $240. I'm not quite going to put them in my car yet, especially not the air fuel. Now I'm talking to y'all. I'm sitting here looking. Okay. Trying to figure out which one. Okay, this goes to the left. Not gonna put them in my car yet. Because, especially the wideband, because it goes into the O2 sensor, and it would be crazy for me to put it in there and then take it right back out when I got some headers. So this one is not going to be putting in there. The original one I was going to get, I'm glad they show this on the box. I was originally going to get one like, sort of like this one, like that one. And like I said, I ended up getting one like the one I got, which I like it. It you know, it's digital. I know y'all can't exactly see it, but it's digital, and it's also got the lean and the optimal gauges, which is what I wanted. That's the type I wanted to get because I'm just a fan of it. I like knowing if it's lean, rich, you know, however it is. And like I said, I'm not going to put them in my car because obviously I do not have the gauge pod that I want. And the water temp, like I said, do not really know what I'm going to do with it, because I don't really want to use it. It's just not something I want to use, so I don't know. The bolt's about to come off. Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Because like I said, I highly doubt I use it. But yeah, that's everything that I literally have. Some more stuff in the car. Got all 4 gauges. So I'm out. Peace.